What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, this is our second video on this channel, so be sure you turn on your post notification right now. There are crazy bulls are coming on your way, so you have to stay tuned for that and make sure to do all of the good stuff down below. Click the like, subscribe, comment, turn on your post notification right now. Today is one of the best day because it's a sunny day. I know it's going to dark, but we got so many cars to wash. As you can see, we got 4 cars: my dad's car, my brother's car, my sister's car, and my car. And we want to tell you about all of the things that you can do by yourself. There are simple things you need, and there are not too many things you want to do. And these are the cars we want to wash. And this, guys, we want to show you these are the equipment you need. This is an electric motor washing machine, one of the best, cheapest and powerful. This one has 1500 psi. If you want to buy electrical gas, that one cost you more than 160, maybe 900 bucks. I think so.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah. Okay. And the gun is ready. I think that we already filled the soap in the machine, as you can see right here. Man, it's gonna be fun day because we came from our work and we got some time to show you guys and tell you how to wash the car. It's very easy. First you have to put water on it, and after that you want to make sure the water is clean the car. After that you want to put the soap, and you got some sponge. You want to use those sponge to clean all of the dust. If you want, you can do the clean one. You don't need too much expensive stuff. And now let's get to the video.
Yes, sir.
Alright guys, we washed the car. Now it's time for the soap. Now I want to show you, we already put the soap in the machine. Now let's get to it. Man, I gotta say the car is looking 100% perfect. Look at the shine. It's almost getting dark. So we are 100% complete with the car. The interior look 100% OEM, yo. We buy this car more than 5 months, and this is our second time washing this car because
Absolutely right, yes, sir. And this one's getting new, and hopefully everything we will do it today and finish as soon as possible because
Yeah, it's dark right there. The car is 100% done, and he's just doing a little bit touchy interior, and everything's perfect. And also, I'm gonna tell you guys, electrical washing machine, one of the best thing you can buy for yourself. You wanna wash at home, and man, this is perfect, yo. Alright guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Hopefully you guys like the video. Make sure you smash that heart like button. Drop the comment down below about the video. This is our second video on this channel, and we're gonna catch you guys in the next one. See ya!